Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Unboxing on the Violent Running channel. This week we have the BecauseRaceCarBox Subscription box. We've done the one-off purchase, that worked out at £19.98 delivered, £16.99 for the box, the rest is shipping. If you go for the subscription, that's £14.99 a box. So without further ado, let's do what we do and cut open the bag. So the first thing we can see as we just get through this is a nice branded box. We'll just get rid of that wrapping there and the knife, and as we open this we'll see what's inside. So we've got a lot of packing noodles. We have an applicator pad. We have some QDX graphene detailing spray, some acid-free wheel cleaner just there. There's the QDX for everyone who's curious. We have the WP Wax Planet Duragloss Super Wax Coat there. We have the Fruit Salad Lather Shampoo. We have a couple of Golf and Martini Air Fresheners. Then right at the bottom of the box, we have just a Microfiber Cloth in there. So that is everything in the box. Let's just have a quick rundown of what we've got there. So we have the Fruit Salad Shampoo. We have the Duragloss Super Wax. We have the QDX Graphene Detailing Spray. We have the AM Details Acid-Free Wheel Cleaner. We have the Applicator Pad, that'll come in handy for some waxes. We have a Microfiber Cloth. And we have two air fresheners there. All in all, we will just do some quick panning shots, and then we will work out the totals. Okay everybody, so panning shots there, very briefly. There's not a lot in the box, as we already know. So within the box we've got the one Microfiber Cloth. That works out at about £1.29 if we take a tenth of the value of their 10-pack of microfiber cloths that they've got. They charge £1.99 for each of the air fresheners. And then when we get into the depths of looking at the samples, they charge £2.49 for the Wax Planet samples, and then I couldn't find pricing on the rest of these, so I took an average of their samples at £2.99 each for these three, and then this was £1.49 for an applicator pad elsewhere on their site. It gives us a total value of £18.22. We paid £16.99 for the box. It's a bit of a hard one to call, really, this. You know, it's a subscription box. It's normally £14.99. If I got all of this and I was detailing the car once a month, then, yeah, it'd be handy. I'd build up a collection of samples over time. Personally, it's not one I'm going to subscribe to. I like to have a consistency of quality with my things. I'd rather buy a subscription box from a single manufacturer. Overall, it's one, if you're going to get a gift for somebody who's into cars, maybe go get it. It's not a bad value package. It's just not to my taste, if I'm honest. Certainly there's no option to customize that based on my car preference, that kind of thing. So, you know, even just having Jap rather than Golf air fresheners would have been a nice little touch on my part, I think. Overall, though, the value's in the box, so I'm not going to say don't go and get it. You should get in excess of the value of the goods that you put in. Just be aware that everything contained within the box is a sample and not a full-size bottle. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. A bit of an unusual box this week. I'm not entirely sure what my verdict is. It's kind of one of those ones I'm going to be on the fence about. It's 50-50. If you're into your detailing, might be a good way for you to try some new brands. If you aren't into your detailing, give it a swerve and go to a brand like our affiliate Bonner and Fitz or Auto Bright, who we're not affiliated with, but are just down the road from us in Stoke. And I go and pick up stuff from as and when I need things that I've forgotten to order from Bonner and Fitz. Look, everybody have an awesome week. We will be back with another episode of Shooting the Shift soon. We have more mystery boxes on the way. We've got a list. If there's any others you'd like to see, drop those down in the description below, and I'll endeavour to try and get them. Thanks for your time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.